We believe that this is part of our continued inspiration to move the university forward, which will be reflected finally at our final product, which are students.
From this workshop, maybe we have to think other colleges, they can benefit from this workshop. It is not just pharmacy.
It's a delight to see so many of you assembled here to engage in this workshop, and it's particularly good to see that it's in the area of pharmacy experiential education. The experiential component of pharmacy programs is really absolutely critical to the quality of the education.
This is my first time to attend the faculty development workshop here at Al-Ain University, and I have been so impressed by the quality of the speakers, the intensity of the learners who have come here clearly to take back home important lessons to improve their curriculum, especially their experiential education.
A number of teams took back to their schools from last year ideas for implementation into their programs on experiential ed at their home institutions. They returned again this year, and fortunately were able to demonstrate the benefits and opportunities they were able to implement, and we really appreciate it. It shows that they were actively participating and learned what and how experiential education can be improved in their local institutions.
It's been my pleasure to be here at Al-Ain University on the Abu Dhabi campus for the 4th Regional Faculty Development Workshop. This year, for the second time, we have focused on the very important topic of experiential education.
This year we talked about curriculum and assessment, thinking about how programs can structure specific activities to help the students meet their outcomes while they're on experiential learning. We also talked about assessing those activities, and so making sure programs had assessment forms, rubrics in place so that they could evaluate those activities and give the students feedback.
Attendees through this program that has been a combination of plenary sessions and workshops that we've had the opportunity to take experiential education to the next level. Faculty that have attended the event have been given a lot of ideas on how to go back to their institution to train their preceptors better, to be prepared for the students when they get to their site.